Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending small ratio reels video editing using VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor app on my mobile phone. So first of all, make sure that you have already installed this application. And then I'm going to create new project. You can click on this plus icon and choose new project here. And then since we want to edit a video, we can choose video based. Okay, and then you're going to add black background. You can go to the stocks menu and you can add this background to your video. Okay, and for Instagram Reels, guys, we need to change the ratio. You can select this menu to change the aspect ratio. Okay, and for Instagram, you can choose this 9:16 ratio. And I'm going to click on the check mark. All right, and you're going to you're going to import your video here. You can click on this PIP option and then you can import your video. Choose the video that you want to edit, guys. And for me, I'm just going to choose video from my download album. And I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in, or you can click on this fit icon to fit the screen, or click on fill. Okay, and then I'm going to crop the video. We can go to the crop menu. You can choose your video and then you're going to select crop here, and you're going to crop it like this. You can select free first, and I'm going to make it small like this. Okay, you can keep adjusting, guys, till you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and I'll go with this one, and we can click on the check mark and I'm going to adjust it again. Okay, done, and this is the result. And to make it more captivating, you can add a backed filter, or it's up to you. And when you crop your video, guys, you can choose the part that you want to display. Okay, and you can click on this icon to export your video, and you will be able to upload it to your Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.